In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when you see that it's see-through and the button glows, let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, in case you wanna restore it, hold your display, tap on the widgets at the bottom left corner, then scroll to find Google App, and once you do, click on it. Scroll again, hold Google search bar, place it on your screen and let go. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!